the best innovation comes at the intersection of different disciplines and different stakeholders. So we seek to bring together the best minds from around the world, promote a collaborative spirit to create solutions that benefit not only Singapore, but the world.
This 2025 Singapore Scientific Conference helps us to reflect on the progress that R&D has made in Singapore over the last 60 years and the contributions that R&D has been making to our economy and society.
In a more uncertain world that we are all operating in, no country can advance alone. This is why Singapore welcomes our international partners to test new ideas here, scale innovation globally, and build enterprises that create meaningful impact for the world.